At 0412 UTC on December 1, 2025, something unprecedented happened. Not an asteroid impact, not a solar flare, not a nuclear incident. Something that had never occurred in the entire history of human civilization. The United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs activated formal planetary defense protocols in response to an interstellar object. Within seconds, the coded alert rippled through secure channels. Embassy duty officers in capital cities worldwide received encrypted messages on systems designed for nuclear emergencies. Defense ministries scrambled senior staff, NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, CNSA, JAXA, every major space agency suddenly had their leadership on emergency conference calls. And in living rooms, bedrooms, and morning commutes across the planet, phones buzzed with breaking news notifications that made people stop mid-stride, mid-conversation, mid-breath. Breaking. UN confirms activation of planetary defense protocols for interstellar object 3I Atlas. The phrasing was careful, almost bureaucratic, but the implication hit like a shockwave. Planetary defense protocols existed for one reason: to protect Earth from extinction-level threats from space. Asteroids, comets, objects large enough and fast enough that an impact would cause regional devastation or worse. The protocols had been developed, refined, exercised in simulations. But never, not once in the 2 decades since their formal adoption, had they been activated for a real object. Until 3I Atlas. For most people, the name meant nothing. A designation in the astronomical catalog. Maybe they'd seen headlines about an interstellar comet passing through the solar system. Interesting for space enthusiasts, irrelevant to daily life. But some people knew more. They'd been following the story. They'd read about the anomalies, the massive size, the radiation-processed crust, the explosive outburst at perihelion 40 times more powerful than expected, the absence of a dust tail, the trajectory changes that didn't quite fit natural outgassing models. And now those anomalies had apparently crossed some